Hello, welcome to another video. I'm Dave, and in this video I'm going to be texturing the Hylian shield from The Legend of Zelda in Substance Painter. You can download the Blender files from the link in the description. I started by importing the shield into Substance Painter and baked the mesh maps using 2K textures. I baked the front and back parts of the shield separately. Next, I applied an iron material to the shield and utilized the shield's reference image to replicate the colors. Then, I applied a black mask and selected the blue parts of the shield. I duplicated the layer, altered the color to silver, and applied it to the silver sections using the same procedure. The same technique was employed to paint the yellow triangles. For this detail, I manually painted the mask using a brush. Now, I'm creating a layer for the ambient occlusion. I added a black mask and an ambient occlusion generator to it. I changed the color of the layer to black and inverted the mask. To adjust the roughness, I introduced a new layer with a black mask. Then, I added a fill to the black mask and incorporated the grunge dirt scratch texture into the fill. I made necessary adjustments to the balance and subsequently fine-tuned the roughness of the layer. I applied triplanar projection to all the layers. Then I copied the roughness, ambient occlusion and silver layers to the back part of the model. Following that, I selected all the silver components. For the handle, I assigned a fabric material. I attached a black mask and then singled out the fabric faces. I adjusted the projection to triplanar and fine-tuned the scale. Moving on to the strap, I utilized a leather material and replicated the same procedure as with the handle. Using Inkscape, I designed the crest. Notably, I only illustrated half of the crest as the shield is mirrored. Upon importing the texture to Substance Painter, I created a new fill layer and linked the texture to the color. I modified the UV wrap to none to prevent unwanted texture repetition. To conclude, I exported the textures and used Material Combiner to merge the front and back textures. If you want to learn how to use Material Combiner, I made a tutorial, the link is in the description. Please remember to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.